Lamps in video games technically use real electricity.
Do what?
Lamps in user games technically use real electricity.
Okay, so I'm gonna play heads or tails with my guns. Okay, so pretty much if it's heads, we drop our ARs. If it's tails, we drop our shotguns.
I have the same emote.
I know. Alright, let's see.
Wait, what I'm getting? Let's see.
Alright,
Let's see.
heads or tails? Alright, we
Shotgun.
drop our AR.
Oh,
No, we drop
Let's
our
go.
AR.
I need my shotgun.
I thought that was shotgun, but okay. You're gonna have to give me a second.
Damn it.
Did we drop our ARs?
Yes,
Yep.
I did.
Neon?
I did!
Alright.
Imagine both of us missing those.
Oh, Neon, buddy, you're cracked. No! If I didn't have to drop my AR, Neon would be dead.
Yes, but it was your choice to do that challenge.
Yes, I know.
I have
Neon,
extra
you need to
mats.
calm down. You're being too loud.
I have so many extra mats.
It's only an extra like 300.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Proximity mines, let's go! Get proximity mines.
Oh yeah, I forgot I don't have an AR.
Ah!
No sound as well.
Proximity mines.
Alright, let's see if we get heads or tails.
Yeah, don't do anything, just see.
Heads again.
Oh, you're so low.
Jeez. Tell you what, man, I did not associate.
Hi, Mom. Yes, Mom, I know time is up, Mom, but I'm trying to play with my friends.
Hey,
Oh, what
Neon,
the hell?
I'm trying to get you to be able to play, not
Oh, what?
not be able to play.
That isn't fair, bro. I was getting gangbanged.
Neon, you're low.
Bye now. This game has 7 people left, and the garden's that big.
Damn.
I have not done that in literally the longest time.
I need help, bro. I need like a controller player to train me. Even though I'm pretty good at the
You actually
You're so
lost
lucky.
that.
You're so lucky. You're so lucky. What HP were you?
I think I don't even know. I wasn't looking. Trying to survive. Alright, let's see heads or tails.
Like from being out there.
I need
Tails,
to learn.
drop your pumps. Drop the pumps.
Damn it. Hey, but no AR spamming like from
Yeah, please
other
don't.
builds.
You're gonna run
That's
out of
literally all I can do. I have the
I know,
worst
but you
aim.
have to be close up because it's kind of unfair if you're just shooting at someone's build. That's like immediate death.
On Neon. Stop coming from behind. I'm 2 HP and being bullied. I'm literally just getting bullied. Neon's a bully. Like, actually. I just
Can
got
someone
bullied.
teach me that move that you do when you're like building a stair and then you like put the wall down or something, or you put like a wall
And you go
3
through.
times around? Basically,
What?
it's not like EJ Dash or anything, but
I don't even know what you're talking about.
never mind. I'll show you.
I was on 3 HP.
Neon. That genuine accuracy.
I was on 3 HP.
I'll show
Literally.
you guys in a second. Here, let me show you this one.
What? Bitches.
It's like you do this,
Me.
like that, but you keep building stairs like that, and then you go like that.
Tails,
I need
drop
to
your
learn.
pumps.
Damn it. Oh crap, I dropped my AR. Hold on. I dropped my AR. Hold on.
Beam, stop! Beam, that was unfair. He said stop because he dropped his AR.
I thought that was you that said that, Neon.
It's alright.
Water.
Whoa, Neon, your accuracy! Calm down.
Can someone go fight with me real quick?
Interview.
But how am I sound
Neon
off?
has to go.
And like
Neon,
an
don't you
actual
have to
other
go?
map.
Alright, let's just
Alright,
do
I'm
one
not
round
doing
where
this
we don't have to.
challenge.
No, hey, you. Well, because it's one heck of a isn't a person headshot.
Neon, don't you have to go?
Because I can summon unlimited hordes of demons.
Neon.
Not a pair though. Yeah.
Neon,
Yep.
don't you have to go?
Oh my god, it wouldn't let me move. My
By
WP stopped
Neon.
working for half a second. Oh my god.
Crap, I keep getting ingested with my stairs.
Can you stop W keying?
Okay, just leave me alone. I was 1 HP,
You
bro.
were W keying. You just phased through the building.
What the hell?
Neon.
Hey, in a little
Neon.
bit, I want to like
Yep.
build fight with someone, like actually
Well,
properly build.
Neon has to go, so it'll be me and you.
I mean, I sometimes
Neon,
feel
I heard you have to, so don't try. And lie.
Falcon level 155. Let's go, boy.
Nice, Beam. You finally killed me. You finally
Shut up,
might win
Neon.
one round.
Ah, wait, are you ever coming back to Ridgecrest, Daniel?
Probably not.
Dennis.
Yeah.
Well,
What? I put a
you can
stair.
until he's off.
That was some bullcrap.
I mean, it didn't hit you, so like, why are you mad, bro?
Oh.
Fine.
What?
That should have been mine, but you know, Neon's gotta come in. Cause you can't get a kill any other way!
You rushed him, not me.
Dude, I'm usually good. I don't know what's wrong with me today, dude.
So what phone do you have, Jordan, that runs 60 frames?
Samsung Note 10.
Jeez,
Plus.
I wonder it runs 60 frames.
Yeah, and dude, when I had my Galaxy S8, it freaking, you know the chain on the gold
Oh god,
pickaxe,
it wouldn't
the
let me
gold
up.
pickaxe? You know how the chain would move? Yeah, well, it didn't move on my other phone because my other phone was like kind of out of date and stuff. But now the chain actually moves, and I run like 60 ping. What the hell? Okay, this is good. Dude, I almost finished out.
Stop bullying, Neon. It's not nice.
And, Damien, will me and you just play? Yeah, I need you to teach me some more build strategies, like tunnels and other stuff.
Hi, Neon. You thought you could get that lucky 200?
And
I mean, I'm still
Get
winning by
off!
2 times as much. So,
Shut up, Neon.
with
Damn.
sound off.
At least I don't die to Jordan.
I'm not that bad. I don't know.
I
what's
know.
wrong
I'm joking.
Oh god, I'm gonna get pushed from both.
Jordan,
you
I just gotta make jokes about you being on mobile.
I know, but I used to suck, and
You
now
Scott!
I'm kind of good.
Neon is so lucky. It's not even fair. Like, shut up. He's sitting there. I have the power of God and anime on my side.
let's go!
What the hell?
You didn't even shoot, Neon.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I was recording that.
Neon.
I like how the one kill he got was me.
Well, it's because you guys are too freaking good. Alright,
No,
let's
it's just
go
'cause
do
we
a
don't play
different
Alright, I gotta go now.
No, wait. Okay, yeah, Neon's gotta go, Jordan. I'm gonna just go over here and one-pop him real quick. Oh,
I'm just gonna
I'm
go and
pretty
leave creative real quick.